Well, I think when I first started Flightcraft, I never wanted this company to be a one-trick pony. I always wanted it to advance into all aspects of aviation.
With our 55 years in this industry, we have a well-established reputation. We have customers that have been coming to us literally for decades.
KF is Canada's largest MRO, and we do about 1 million man-hours a year.
What makes KF different from other MROs is certainly our true one-stop shop capabilities. I am not aware of any other MROs that have the extensive capabilities that we have.
We are a full depot level maintenance company. That means we do everything from paint to heavy maintenance to modifications, which includes avionics modifications, structural modifications.
Other MROs typically don't have an in-house engineering department. Typically, engineering departments are standalone entities that are not associated with an MRO. They don't necessarily know what's needed to get airplanes out on time. We try to operate as one team, and that helps both our engineering department, but also the other departments too.
KF has been around for a long time. We do a lot of great work, and none of that has changed. I think we have a really great passion for this industry, and I think that shows through to our customers on the work that we do.
Aviation has been a very challenging industry, and it's not been friendly to many companies in Canada. We are a long-term success story. We've been in business 55 years already. We have an extensive array of capabilities.
We have vast knowledge working from Boeing products, Airbus products, now into the ATRs. You know, we'll work on anything from a 727 right up to a 737 MAX right off the assembly line. Whatever the customer wants, we're here to meet it.
Our employees know the importance of hard work, a commitment to quality, and finding solutions for our customers. Our customers always come away happy with the work that's been done on the airplane.
Historically, KF has participated in almost all facets of the aerospace industry, everything from flying aircraft to leasing aircraft to doing the maintenance, training pilots, training mechanics. We really try to extend ourselves into as many facets of the industry as we can.
We're pretty renowned in our flight ops department. We renewed the contract for the BC feeder network with our new ATR freighters. We're running on almost 50 years with Purolator from when we first started. And we are working with Purolator to try to grow the network into a future beyond the BCFN.
Well, KF has a long history of supporting the Royal Canadian Air Force and the Canadian Armed Forces. The main one being CFTS and working through to the Future Aircrew Training Program, which we were awarded as part of the Skyline joint venture with operations in Moose Jaw, Southport, Winnipeg, and Ottawa. With our 20 years of working with Canada and the RCAF on the program, we've built an excellent reputation of being collaborative, adaptive, and very responsive for everything that the RCAF wants.
I think what I'm most proud of at KF is we have such an amazing group of people here.
I would say we're leading the industry just as far as the talent that we are involved with every day as far as our staff goes.
We have about 1,200 employees spread across Canada. We've got folks in Vancouver, we've got our Kelowna operation, military flight training unit out in Southport, Manitoba. We've got a maintenance operation in Hamilton, Ontario, and engineering and support offices in Ottawa for the Future Aircrew Training Program.
Well, our large facility here in Hamilton is located in one of the premier airports in southern Ontario, outside of Toronto. While we're a major player for MROs here in Canada, our customers have access to us for all of their wide-body and narrow-body needs.
If people care about our customers, they care about their craft, they care about the quality of the work that they do.
I think that aviation is in its infancy. We're a broad international company now and well received all over the world for aviation. I hate using this expression, but the sky's the limit.